Click on the Plot 2D icon located within the upper right corner of the RockWorks window. This will open a blank RockPlot 2D window. Select the File Import DXF option. This will display the DXF or AutoCAD to RockPlot 2D window. Click on the File Selection button. Select the file titled 2D Tools Import DXF Utilities.dxf. Uncheck the additional items including background image, labeled axes, map overlays, and so on. Click the Continue button. A window titled Set the Diagram Type and Coordinate Units will appear. Make sure that the options are configured as shown within this example. Click the OK button. The DXF file will now be displayed within a new untitled RockPlot 2D tab. We will now transfer the map into RockPlot 3D by choosing the File Export RockPlot 3D option. Choose to float the image at an elevation of 1,770 meters. Assign a layer name of Utilities. Uncheck all of the additional items such as strip logs and perimeter cage. Click on the Continue button. The map will now be displayed as a three-dimensional projection. Click on the Save button and save the 3D diagram as utilities.rw3d. Close the RockPlot 3D window by clicking on the X within the upper right corner. Close the underlying DXF or AutoCAD to RockPlot 2D window in the same way.
Click on the Plot 2D icon located within the upper right corner of the RockWorks window. Select the File Import SHP Esri ArcView Shapefile option. Set the input file to 2D Tools Import Shape Streets.shp. Specify a line style and color. Click on the Continue button. Confirm that the units and coordinates system match the project settings. Click OK to display the shape file. After a few seconds, the shape file will be displayed. We will now render the diagram in 3D by selecting the File Export RockPlot 3D option. Activate the Float option. Select the Elevation Other option and set the elevation to 1,770 meters. Set the layer name to Streets. Click the Continue button. The shapefile is now displayed as a RockPlot 3D diagram. Click on the Save button and save the file as streets3d.rw3d. Close this window by clicking on the X icon within the upper right corner.
Run the Drape program that is located within the Graphics Images pull-down menu. Set the image source to the project image. Click the Drape Options tab, double-click on the grid name, and select the ahorizontop.rwgrd file. Change the layer name to Draped Air Photo. Set the vertical offset to 0. Click the Continue button. A RockPlot 3D tab titled Draped Image is displayed, and the aerial photo is floating at the indicated elevation. Click on the Save button and save the diagram as drapedimage.rw3d. Next, select the Append option and specify the streets3d.rw3d as the file to be added. The street maps that we imported from the shapefile in exercise 10.2 is now floating at an elevation of 1,770 meters. Let's add another diagram by selecting the Append option again. Select the utilities.rw3d file that we created by importing an AutoCAD DXF file in exercise 10.1.